Let's learn how to create stories easily with the AI generator. And your first book is on us. Click here to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. First, select your story genre. Next, choose the characters for your story by clicking here to explore character options. Add more characters with the plus button or remove any by clicking here. Now onto location settings. Choose from various environment settings to set the perfect scene. Let's define the book setting. Click on the Idea for the Story button. Name your story and outline your storyline, or let the AI decide the plot's direction. Set the word count, target audience age, book language, and select an image style ranging from realistic to cartoonish, or opt for no images to add your own later in the editor. Next, choose a narrator voice for your book.
Hi, I am going to tell you a beautiful story.
Let's go with Ava.
Hi, I am going to tell you a beautiful story.
All set with the settings? Let's generate our story by clicking here. The AI might take about 2 minutes to process our request. While waiting, you can preview the narration.
Once upon a time, in a wild and magical desert called Genon.
Navigate through pages using the arrows. A View Your Book button will appear once the book is ready.
As they ventured deeper into the desert, the shimmering light grew brighter and more enchanting.
Exciting, isn't it? Click it to see your creation. To edit, click on the Edit button. On the right, add new pages. On the left, find 4 tabs: Items, Backgrounds, Paint Tools, and Text. Choose from a wide range of characters, speech bubbles, backgrounds. Customize your text with various fonts, sizes, colors, and edit or write new pages. Generate AI images by describing what you need, choosing a style, and pressing Enter. Save your background and add it to your book by selecting it from My Backgrounds. Click here to admire your edited book. Be imaginative and craft many wonderful books. Best of luck!